My wintertime setup for the greenhouse, I have bubble wrap in part of the lower section. I also have a wool blanket and a seedling rack that has bubble wrap on it, which helps insulate the greenhouse. Inside the greenhouse, I have a little bubble wrap ceiling. It's on a slant so that my heaters don't have to work so hard. And I just take this down during the day and roll it up and then roll it back out at night. Seems to be working really well. Helps keep the heat down low where my plants are located. Here's my daytime setup. I've just rolled the plastic back, just like a little curtain. And I've taken the wool blanket off part of the window so that this is all open again, so that the heat and light can get down to my plants during the day. I do leave this back piece of bubble wrap on. It doesn't really help bring in the light that much because it's a nuisance to take off.